Hello everybody, this is Mark McInch with MUX Term 1312. My prototype app that we need to create is called Your Car. It's a pretty basic app, pretty much just oil change, air filter, and fuel filter. I'm a mechanic by trade. The main intent and purpose of this app is just manages the maintenance of your vehicle. The description for the intended audience would be everybody that wants their car to last, beyond the manufacturer's warranty. The functionality of the app allows users to access simple applications that will let them know how long it's been since their last oil change. And then the feature set that I have is there is no login required, and it's your car only, which I think it would be a good feature because a lot of the apps that I've seen out there, they'll want to know the make, model, year, whatever. Well, with me being in the field, being an auto mechanic, all cars need oil changes at 3,000 miles. I mean, that's rule of thumb. Air filter, fuel filters, they're the same, but the mileage is a little different. Usually air filters will go about 5,000 miles. You can run up to anywhere from about 5,000 to about 7,500 miles with a fuel filter. Some nice to have features that I would like to have would be audible alerts to inform you when it is time for your vehicle to have maintenance done on it. And another one is like sort by make and model, and information linked to get some major repairs if you needed them. That'd be my application definition statement. I have the user questionnaire for my 6 people, or 5 people actually, that I got from. Actually, I had one that's a nurse, CNA nurse, and then a secretary, which were both females, and then I have a couple mechanics that I know and ask some questions about, and a concrete finisher. Pretty much all of these people that I had talked with, they're pretty proficient about using a computer or the phone. And it's kind of a split up between iPhone and the Android, and they pretty much had them for a pretty good length of time. And they were all frequent users, if not all the time, frequent or quite often, and they're all very familiar with finding and using apps. And with the apps I find using most of them, I don't know, there's just kind of split up there. Social networking, one had internet searching all the time, one had games, and then games and social networking. And in my user personas here, I have this young woman here that is the CNA also, and she just wants to be able to know the next time she needs her oil change. And then I have the other one here. This is a housewife that I talked to and know. This would be Jan, and she's just a stay-at-home wife. Don't really have any education or anything, and she'd just like to be able to start an app with no problems, and just really be easy to use for her. So, and we get on down to the heuristics evaluation sheet here. I did check out a couple of them. This one here is for the iPad, or the iPhone, excuse me, and this one's for the Android. They were both very informative apps that I checked out. I thought so, and the match between them in the real world, they're displays everything the user would like to have. The Android didn't have as many features, but it is a free app, and this iPhone app that I checked out, and I liked it. It had a great user interface and everything, but of course it cost money. Very easy to use for the iPhone. It does have a lot of buttons, to click to go back, edit, delete, vehicles. The Android was very user friendly, didn't have quite as many features. and then consistency and the standards were very straightforward, easy to navigate through. The Android was a little more difficult to navigate through. Um, the flexibility and efficiency of use, like again, it was straight forward steps, enter info, and go. And the same with the Android app. It was, you know, pretty easy. And then I didn't have any really known recognitions of diagnose and recovery from errors. Really no known crashes or errors for both. And the help and documentation, I didn't really see anything that had any help buttons for anything on them. Um, so that's it. That's about all I have. I appreciate you watching my video, and we'll see y'all next week. Thank you.